Ta-da! You have got to try these. It's much better than the usuals. Even the crusts are nice.
Oh yes, Maureen, they're delicious. Come here, kids, try this. Make way for the red-banded duck. Honk! Ida really should do something about that honk.
Oh, look, croissants. Get away. It's so good for your age already.
It's not fair. I'm hungry too. Why are you picking on me? Honk! Honk! They knew just how really I would love to honk! But it's true. I'm a bird that seems to lack the neck. I'm just different from the rest, and can blame them wanting to find another nest. But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. No, I should be different, make me sad. I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. Different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers, and I hate this stubby beak. They're up in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. Different is just, well, different.